Welcome dear student and guardian. Our topic is fraction from class 6. Fraction means is a mean. The means of a part of a group of a region. Region मतलब एक क्षेत्र area. About fraction the 6 12 5 upon example of like is a 5 upon 12 is a fraction. 5 is a part of a region. Is a part of a part is a 12. 5 part is a 12. About is 12. That is a 1 2 3 4 5 and total is a box is a 12. But is a fraction is a box is a equal, not is a unequal. That is a fraction of 5 upon 12. That is example. That is a means not is a fraction 1 upon 3 because that is a part is a unequal. Like is that is a part is a equal box. That means is a fraction. It is not is a fraction. 5 is 5 part is a box is a equal. On is a part is region of is a 12. Total box is a 12 and shaded part is a 5. So 5 upon 12. 5 is a देखो example is a 5 is a carried their numerator and 12 is a carried their denominator. We can see the total box is a 12. That is a shaded part of is a 5. About total is a 12 box. The 5 is a called their numerator and 12 is a called their denominator. That is a example is a 5 upon 12 is a fraction. The fraction is a total part is a equal part, not is a unequal part. That is a not is a fraction. Is a shaded part, but is a not equal box. That is a fraction. Shaded part is a 1. Total part of box is a 4. That is a written right written is a 1 upon 4. That is called is a fraction. This is a numerator and 4 is a denominator. We can see example. More example. There is a more example of fraction. We can see that is a equal part is a 4 box. The equal part. The one part is a shaded area, a shaded region, and is a groups 4 groups. Total groups is a 1 2 3 4. Total box is a 4. Shaded part is 1 1. So we read is 1 upon 4, 1 by 4, yeah, 1 upon 1 by 1 oblique 4. 1 is a numerator or 4 is a denominator. Second is a circle. Circle is a equal part is a 4 part. 1 2 3 4. The 2 part is a shaded area, the shaded region, and all part is a total box 1 2 3 4. The total box is a 4 and shaded area 1 2 2. This picture is a equal box. Then is a circle is a equal box, equal part divided in equal part. The shaded area 2 total parts 1 2 3 4 or 1 by 2. We written as 1 by 2. Why? That is a divided in 2. Equal divided. Divisor is equal. Then is a cut 2 2 2 1 is 2 2 2 is 4. We write as. Second is a third figure is a triangle. Triangle is the largest part, is the smallest part, not is equal. And second देखो unequal. That is a not a fraction. Why? As compared to boxes, that is a right four part is equal parts, equal, that is equal, but triangle is a not equal. One, the largest part is the smallest part, that is a not a fraction. Figure 4, total parts, the total boxes is a equal. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Total box is a denominator is a 12. Shaded area, numerator how much? 1 2 3 4. That is a cut 4. 1 4 3 ja 12. So V rate is a 1 upon 3, yeah 1 oblique 3. So 1 is a numerator, 3 is a denominator, yeah 4 is a numerator, 12 is a denominator.
Yes.
Repeat again is a fraction. Fraction is a means a part of a group or of a region. That example is a group. Total group is a 4. All boxes is equal. Total circle is a boxes is equal. But triangle is a not equal. That is a not called a fraction. That is a wrongest part. The example of like is a 5 upon 12. 5 is a numerator. 12 is a denominator. Is a example. At shaded area boxes is a total boxes is a 12. And shaded area boxes is a 4. 4 upon 12, 1 upon 3. We guys, you all is a understand. Thanks all of you.